Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. In traditional software development, development teams and operation teams usually work in separate silos. Now, developers focus on writing code, and once they are done, they hand that code over to operations for deployment and maintenance. This separation creates slow handoffs, misunderstandings, and delays. Releases become risky events instead of routine updates. DevOps solve this problem by bringing development and operations together and automating the software delivery process. With DevOps, teams collaborate as one system, allowing them to build, test, deploy, and monitor applications faster and with more reliability. DevOps works through a continuous lifecycle rather than a one time sequence. Software constantly moves through planning, coding, building, testing, releasing, deploying, monitoring, and feedback. Instead of waiting until the end of the project to learn what went wrong, teams learn continuously. This cycle makes it possible to deliver improvements quickly and respond faster to real user feedback. The lifecycle begins with planning and coding. In the planning phase, teams define features, break work into tasks, and decide priorities based on business value and feedback from earlier releases. Planning ensures that what gets built is actually useful and deployable. During the coding phase, developers write and update application code. AI tools help here by acting as intelligent assistants. GitHub Copilot suggests code as developers type, speeding up routine work. Amazon Code Guru reviews code and highlights performance issues and potential problems early. These tools do not replace developers, they help developers write better code faster. Once code is committed to a shared repository, the build and test phase begins. Automated systems compile the code and run tests to catch defects as early as possible. This practice is called continuous integration. Jenkins automates these pipelines so every change is built and validated automatically. AI powered testing tools like TestTeam AI use machine learning to create and maintain automated tests, especially for user interface. This reduces fragile tests and improve confidence that the system work as expected. After test pass, the application moves to the release and deployment phase. Continuous delivery pipelines prepares software so it is always ready to go live. Docker packages applications and their dependencies into containers, ensuring consistency across environments. Kubernetes manages and scales those containers automatically. AI tools like Harness AI analyze deployment data, detect risky releases, and help teams roll out changes safely using strategies like canary deployments and automated rollbacks. Deployment becomes predictable instead of stressful. Once the application is running in production, monitoring and feedback becomes really critical. Monitoring tools track performance, system health, and user experience. AI-driven monitoring platforms like Datadog and Dynatrace analyze metrics, logs, and traces to detect anomalies and predict failures before users are affected. Alerts and insight flows back to the team, turning real production behavior into learning. DevOps work by combining collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. By integrating planning, coding, testing, deployment, and monitoring into one automated pipelines, teams deliver software faster and with higher quality. When AI tools are added, teams gain even more efficiency, earlier issue detection, and smarter decision. This is why DevOps enhanced with AI has become essential for modern agile teams delivering reliable software at speed.